Welcome. Over the next few minutes, we are going to review some facts about drug therapies for HIV infection. These are facts that are important to have fresh in our mind before we start writing mathematical models that incorporate some type of treatment schedule for this infection. And in the process of refreshing our mind, uh, some of the facts we're going to review have to do with the life cycle of HIV. And an excellent reference for this is a website maintained by the National Institutes of Health. The homepage is located at aidsinfo.nih.gov. At this time, you may want to pause this video, launch a browser, and visit the URL that you see on the screen. This is an illustration of an HIV virion, in other words, of a particle of HIV, and well, this is the virion has, as it is represented here, has an spherical shape, but because this is an illustration, we also want to have an idea of what's inside this piece of virus or particle of virus. So there is like a sectional cut here, and we can see both how the shape of the virion, and specifically there are these tentacles or spikes that are representing or illustrating proteins on the surface of HIV. They're called glycoproteins, as you can see. And then inside, inside the particle virus, there are these things that look like represented here as springs, and they represent RNA of HIV. This is fundamental. Remember, HIV is an RNA virus, so that portion, that part of the virus is going to be key and fundamental in the life cycle of the virus. And the other thing you want to pay close attention are these things that look like an orange and a lime over there, very close to the RNA material of HIV. They are enzymes, okay? And these enzymes are proteins that have a very specific role in the life cycle of HIV.